Got some parcels from eBay, got some more filament, a couple of bags. One has stepper motors, or I call them servo motors, similar type of thing. They just step, but you know, you could use them for a servo motor. And wiring, and some filament extruder aluminium kits, which I'm going to use on the CR10 later. I'm still working on the Zonestar. I have it all laid out. I'm slowly getting there to put it together. It is getting very hot here in Australia. It's tomorrow or the next day is going to be at 41 degrees, which I think in American that would be 82 and add 30, so it'd be about 110-ish, or a bit higher. So yeah, so I've made this up to take the video of it, so you would have noticed that I was doing a down type of look, and that's where I was doing it from, straight there, straight down, and I've attached it to this pole. And I've actually got some lights as well set up, ready to do it. Yeah, my workshop's a bit of a mess at the moment, so eventually we'll get it sorted, and hopefully we'll get it finished. If you like this video, please subscribe, and please like. And if you don't like it, please just give me a thumbs down. This is going to be real hard effort to put this thing together, but I think we'll get it together. It has a manual of 72 pages, so it's not for the faint-hearted. I don't think this is for a kid to put together. It's more for an adult. Anyway, I'm sure Christmas is gone, so next Christmas I'm sure all you guys will run out to get one of these and put it together for your kids. Okay, catch you around. Bye.